Welcome to ATD Garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your fan clutch on one of these here rigs. Part number we're going to be using is a Four Seasons 36973. I got this off Rock Auto. Don't remember how much. Cheaper than auto parts stores in town. First thing I'm going to do is get this wire out of the way, which is just some clips. You'll need a screwdriver to undo the plastic bit there. So here, step one of a few. Take these little plastic things. I like to stick a screwdriver in them and just pop right open like that. And clip it. You can pretty much just put it like right over there. It can just kind of stay there because we don't need it out of the way. We just need it out of the way to get this fan shroud off. Okay, step two. If you look down, there'll be a bolt on this side and a bolt, or two bolts, one here, one here, one here, and well, in my case there's not one, but in your case there might be. Take those out, and there's three up here, and this fan shroud will just come right off. Shift that into reverse. These are 10 mil. This ratchet is dying with the battery. The actual ratchet itself broke too many bolts loose. Yeah, don't use them like that. Bolt gets stuck, take a screwdriver, drop it, problem solved. Oh, don't forget if you have a four-wheel drive, you'll have a differential breather hose. Same kind of clip as that one. I don't know when the last time this thing came apart was. Voila. It's moving quite freely. See how it gets tight and then it free spins? It should be tight all the way around. And it is hot outside. So that is definitely my issue. Alright, so once you get that off, I'll try the air hammer method, because I usually lose my patience. I don't lose it, but I get tired of waiting with the hammer method. So we're going to go whack her with this. I need a longer chisel bit, but I don't got one. That worked. I don't think I needed to do it as long as I did. A good old air hammer. Another rescue. Oh, that's working great. Another method would be to obviously stick the wrench on and whack it with a wrench. Now, take your 13 millimeter and transfer the fan to the new clutch. I wonder why this doesn't work all the time. Grab the new one and hope they're the same. They are. Cool beans. Tight. Torque spec is whenever it jumps. Installation is the same way as uninstallation. Sweet. That is much more consistent. And hopefully it should work. The only thing is this is a smaller unit, and the factory one, at least I believe it's factory. Also, you do not have to do this. I'm just going to give it a little, there we go. Now, if it comes off, no, it was nothing that I did. And if I can't get it off later, I know it was something I did. So, genius. There we have it. New fan clutch installed. Got the bolts down. Got this clipped. Got the wiring in. Don't forget to attach that again. Got that bolt installed. That clip and bolt are missing on that one, so I will not be doing that one. Anyway, I'm gonna fire it up. We'll see if the AC works now. Alright, well, it wasn't really hot enough today, at least, well, now, to get this thing to fully need all that air. But like I said, it did rev up when we fired it up in the beginning. AC did work quite well throughout my drive this evening. Went to sand dunes. It did kick on then. So yeah, I mean, it works. Hopefully that fixes your guys' issue. But yeah, that's a quick video on how to change your fan clutch. Thank you guys for watching.